PreciTech presents Sadaa Chakra range of vertical turning centers. Machining heavy jobs has always been a challenge. But with PreciTech's Sadaa Chakra vertical turning machines, precision and efficiency are redefined. Built for long, continuous operations, these machines feature rugged construction and advanced FEM optimized designs to minimize vibrations, ensuring superior performance. Designed to handle large jobs, Sadaa Chakra's heavy-duty tables deliver consistent, high-precision machining for complex jobs. From tackling aerospace and defense projects to achieving rapid cycle times in automotive production, Sadaa Chakra machines are your ultimate solution. Offering integration with loading and unloading systems, chip conveyors, and coolant systems, our machines are designed for flexibility and efficiency. With turret-type tooling for smaller models and ram-type construction for larger ones, PreciTech ensures the right solution for every need. Contact us today to see how PreciTech's Sadaa Chakra vertical turning machines can solve your machining challenges and enhance your capabilities.